Oh, all right. What's up, guys? It seems like it's been a minute since I picked up the camera and just talked to you guys. So I'm gonna do that real quick. We're gonna have a nice quick, I don't know, this is gonna be a vlog today. Haven't vlogged in forever, it feels like. Right now I'm sitting down editing the video you guys should probably have seen already. It's been kind of a crazy couple of days. It's probably like this last week. It's been kind of crazy. Good things have happened. A lot of good things. So, you know, mostly good, but a lot of like a very busy, very busy schedule. I wanted to go out this weekend to either do some stuff with the Jeep again or do some stuff with the Velociraptor. Don't know if we are going to do that. I'm going to try. I think if we do anything, we're going to do something with the Velociraptor. I think that would be pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know. I'm home alone right now. The dogs are with me. I'm going to eat some food. I just got done with work. It's a Friday. And I just got done, had another meeting, just got done with that, so I'm pretty good. I just have to finish up some other things, and then I'm, be ready for this weekend, even though I still have to do stuff this weekend, so I guess the weekends still, I'm gonna be working, but, I can't complain. But, yeah, guys, I don't know, it's, what can I say? Things could be worse. You can't complain. You just got to be happy about things. So, yeah, let's continue on with this day. Okay, guys, so it's a couple hours later. I am actually going to be picking up Angelia from work in like a couple minutes. So I'm going to be taking off the roof really quickly, the freedom panels, and I'm going to be putting the dogs in the back seat. It's a beautiful day out. I want the dogs just to come with me, just so they can get out of the house. So, yeah, let's get this stuff straightened out, because I have to head on out to pick her up relatively soon. So yeah, let's do that stuff real quick. And after a couple minutes, this is what it looks like. Have the that thing with the tarp over there, roof off. Looks like we're gonna be ready to go. Gonna get the dogs all situated, and we're gonna be heading on out in a couple minutes. So yeah, once again, I love the Jeep. Can use it to take the dogs with me. Such a great, honestly, I love this aspect of it. So yeah, let's get the dogs in the car. Every time, I don't know if can you see Garrett? Garrett's is a little bit scared of jumping up here, but they love it. All right, let's head on out. Have a bit of a drive. Wow. So there was just some random person in the middle of the street that was literally trying to charge cars. This other lifted Jeep had to go around them. I just went around them. So as soon as I saw them, I was like, yeah, I'm going around this person. We're on a main busy road. They were just literally charging cars. I'm like, what? Oh my God. Welcome to LA. Oh my God. That type of stuff doesn't really bother me though. I was like, look, if you charge the car, you charged it. I got my dash cam going. That was just weird. Alright, let's continue to drive. Also, guys, there is a very beautiful Audi R8. I'm seeing so many of them now just driving by. I wonder if that was anyone important. I don't know. It's a really nice Audi R8 that drove by. Had a nice exhaust on it. I see you. I see you, whoever you are. Nice. Ice cream truck. Put the roof back on because I'm sitting here for a second and the sun is beating me up. I need to, wow. Okay, like I was saying, yeah, I need to get a sunshade for here. It's great when you're driving, but when you're stopped, and it is 85 degrees out right now, it's kind of hot. You're just gonna get beat up by the sun. So, sunshade need to get for sure. I don't know how that's gonna work with the freedom panels because I've always had a soft top before, and you can just unlatch it, but to get this hard top off, you still need to undo all the things. I don't know, but I have to put the sunscreen on and off. I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, still waiting for her. She should be getting out in the next couple minutes, but yeah, the dogs are still chilling. You can see the dogs are still chilling, feeling good. And yeah.
Are you bad? Are you bad, dogs?
They're a little bit bad. They're not bad, actually. Nothing. Okay guys, what is up? So it is much later in the afternoon. It is actually like, no, what time is it? It is 10:45 at night right now. I really want to install, I have LED lights for the Jeep. Some LED headlights for the Jeep. They are just the bulbs, replacing bulbs for the headlights, turn signals, and the fog lights. So I'm gonna install these. They're really cheap. Actually, they're not really cheap. They're a lot cheaper than buying aftermarket headlights. So really quickly, the reason why I'm doing this, sorry, I don't know if you guys can see me. The reason why I'm doing this is because of my Jeep comes with the normal headlights, the non-LED package, which honestly, these headlights suck, like really bad. I'm surprised that Jeep still, like that's still like an option that you can buy. What you get by the Jeep actual LED headlights, which are actually like really nice headlights. It's like $800. That's just the headlights themselves. You could also buy, there are other like headlights that you can buy. They're probably like $400, $500. You can get decent ones that are like nice, which is, I believe for the new JLs, they are 9-inch headlights, and for the older JKs, they're 7-inch ones. You can buy a 7-inch one. They're going to be a little bit cheaper because there's a lot more of them out there, but you need to buy, it's a adapter to like fit a 7-inch headlight inside the things. That's these 9-inch ones. So I elected to not do that. I'm just going to put LED bulbs and these aftermarket bulbs in. That will be fine for now. It's a lot cheaper. It's a lot cheaper option, but it like desperately needs it because like driving this thing at night, these headlights suck. Like they're really, really bad, like comically bad. So yeah, I'm gonna install these. Just shouldn't take me too long to do. I think I'm gonna flip the Jeep around so I can, no, maybe I'll do it out there so it doesn't really matter. The only thing that sucks is like we don't have like a driveway or a garage, so I have to do stuff kind of like in like the common parking area, which is fine, but that is one thing I am noticing I do miss. I miss having like a private section to do stuff to the car. It's kind of just like, oh, I don't like doing stuff around other people, but hopefully I won't have anyone disturbing me while I do this. It's pretty late at night now, even though a neighbor just came home like literally like right now. But all right, let's install this stuff. Shouldn't take too long, and yeah, it shouldn't be too long. Let's do it.